Australia, a vast country of breathtaking natural beauty, teeming with extraordinary and iconic animals. Meet the kangaroos. With their long forelegs, distinctive bouncing gait, and babies carried in pouches, they are the most successful and sociable of the species known as marsupials. These kangaroos, called eastern greys, populate the woodland, pasture and forests of the eastern side of Australia. And their lives are full of surprises. Petty squabbles and big boy brawls. Companion